From the first sprout to full bloom, the world unfolds in countless forms. Hongyue Horticultural, your global one-stop partner for gardening supplies, nurturing every shade of green across the world. Greenery knows no borders, and smart manufacturing gives it form. Hongyue Horticultural is rooted in China's Yangtze River Delta. Our dual-engine strategy, combining the sales headquarters in Haining with the smart manufacturing base in Jiexi, establishes a robust, large-scale, and standardized foundation for global service. As the core manufacturing arm of Hongyue Group, we possess a unique dual vision of the industry. With over 20 years of expertise, we not only understand the evolving consumer market, but also master every facet of smart production. We provide a comprehensive range of gardening supplies and one-stop solutions. From home gardening to professional nurseries, this makes us a vital link in the global supply chain and a pioneer extending smart manufacturing into the realm of home decor. Innovation drives progress and powers product renewal. Our multinational R&D and design teams are dedicated to capturing global trends, ensuring our products evolve in lockstep with market demands. From initial concept to finished product, every step is aligned with the worldwide pulse of gardening. We adhere rigorously to international quality standards and business norms. Certifications such as BSCI, SCAN, and FCCA underpin the trust at the heart of all our cross-border partnerships. Our brand new 28,000 square meter modern facility, equipped with over 40 industry-leading machines and 3 core processes, drives innovation in gardening manufacturing. We combine efficient mass production with responsive custom solutions, balancing standardized quality with personalized needs, shaping the future of gardening through intelligent manufacturing. We are committed to a full circular economy, using recyclable and biodegradable materials, achieving 100% recycling of production waste, and operating a 7,000+ square meter photovoltaic station. This reduces our annual carbon footprint by an amount equivalent to planting over 40,000 trees, embedding sustainability into our very DNA. Quality is integral to our entire production chain. Leveraging smart CNC systems and automation, we maintain precise control from raw material formulation to final molding, ensuring full compliance with the most stringent international standards. Before any product leaves our factory, it undergoes multiple inspections. Our zero-defect commitment is our global promise of quality. From mature ODM/OEM solutions that quickly meet customization needs, to our professional international team enabling efficient cross-time zone communication, and our coordinated global logistics network, we ensure every order is delivered accurately and on time. Our premium products and comprehensive service have forged deep partnerships with world-renowned retailers like Walmart, the Home Depot, and ALDI. Our products now reach homes and professional nurseries in over 60 countries and regions worldwide. We are defining the new benchmark for smart garden manufacturing, connecting the world's greenery through technology and innovation. Join us in cultivating a greener, smarter future for gardens worldwide. Hongyue Horticultural Corporation, Anhui Company Limited.